Hello guys, good afternoon. Topic is physically pushing and hitting and handling staff and aggressively, right? Leadership. It's not leadership, not pressure, and not motivation. Workplace is misconducted, right? First, understand this clearly, right? It's clearly developed. Physical and the aggression is workplace is unprofessional and against and the company and the policy, against the labor law and the creative and toxic and culture. First, it's the product yourself first before the changing and the boss and the behavior. Think, ask you safe, are you safe, is there the CCTV in branch, are the other staff and the also in the uncomfortable. Never react emotionally and stay in the claim and strategic. Second is don't confront, don't confront in and the public. You can and the touch stop and this will create and ego and the class and make and the situation in the worse. It's a third is private and respectfully and conversation, right? Like a team morals and performance impact and the no accusing. It's a fourth is accelerate and professionally and right, like a document incidents, date, time and what happened and second is if company has HR department and the ethic and the committee, it's a pause and the internal and the compliance and the sale, right? Fifth is understand the risks, improve and situation and create and the physical and the tension. Is company and the culture and the supportive, Dutch the top the management in is to tolerate this behavior. Six is build and the collective and the strength and the right without gossip. Don't create in the negative group, don't complain and emotionally, speak collectively, eat professionally and the tones. Fourth is very important and don't and the observe and the aggression. It's under the pressure and from the top management, frustrated with the zero numbers and poor emotional control. It's but there in the stress and the you are and the abuse, claim stable and focused, reality true in they they get and the feedback and from the higher authority and they realize and from the performance and drop due to fear they face and concurrence. Please guys, ask something and the important really you're directly and affected to change your culture, maintain as a leader, as a team member and focus your product and you aggressively you and create your energy and do the business. Guys, thank you. Please like kariye, subscribe kariye.